Let's go to professional tables. Imagine that you are a sales manager and you want to have the numbers of your area from the finance department. You will receive the following file. As you can see, it will be difficult to get the right insights here. Let's start with the optimization. In the first step, we will create the title. Here we have P&L format to bold. Then avoid color. And the currency. Every number as a currency. We will put it in the title, so you can see it here. Then the number. If you use chart, you should use 3 numbers, and if you use tables, you should use 4 numbers. Then a finance structure. So we will place it here with the last year, the budget, and the actual. Then no borders. No vertical lines. You should prefer small gaps. Avoid color for a second time. Then horizontal lines with points. Decimal places. Then the sign. If you have a positive value, you should use a plus sign, and if you have a negative value, you should use a minus. Then graphical elements. So here for the last year we use a gray color, then for the budget we will use dark gray color, and for the actual we use black color. Then adjust column. Then the distance to the first KPI. Then the description, we will avoid it here. Then the deviations, you should prefer a delta sign. Then the size. The size here for last year, budget and actual is 11 points, and for the deviations you should use 10 points. Then the format. Then some highlights for the highest deviations, in this case the sales revenue, personnel costs and other charges. Then a headline similar with a newspaper, and at the bottom we have place for some comments. In this case we use 3 bullet points here for the sales revenue, the personnel cost and other charges, and put the numbers here in the tables. And if you compare it with the first slide to the last one, we have many options to optimize our table.